Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to map locations using latitude and longitude in Power BI. This is an incredibly useful skill when you're working with geographic data and want to visualize store locations, customer addresses, or any other location-based information on an interactive map. Let's dive right in and get your data mapped out. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Once you've launched it and your workspace is ready, direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll notice a panel labeled Visualizations. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating different types of charts and visual representations of your data. In the Visualizations panel, look for the map icon and click on it to insert a map visual into your workspace. This will place a default-sized map onto your canvas, giving you a blank slate to work with. You'll probably want to resize this map to better fit your dashboard layout, so feel free to drag the corners or edges to adjust it to whatever dimensions suit your needs best. Making it larger can help viewers see the details more clearly, especially if you're plotting multiple locations. Now that your map visual is in place, shift your focus back to the right side of the screen where you'll see the data panel. Click on the dataset that contains your latitude and longitude information. This is the key data that will tell Power BI exactly where to plot your points on the map. With your dataset selected, you'll notice that the Visualizations panel now shows fields where you can drag and drop your data. Start by locating the location field. Here you'll want to input the store name or whatever identifier you're using for your locations. This helps label each point on your map so viewers know exactly what they're looking at. Next, find the latitude field in the Visualizations panel. Drag your latitude data from the data panel and drop it into this field. This tells Power BI the north-south position of each location. Right after that, locate the longitude field and drag your longitude data into it. This provides the east-west position, and together with latitude, these coordinates pinpoint the exact locations on your map. At this point, you should see your locations appearing as points on the map visual. Now let's make it look even better. Under the Visualizations panel, click on the Format icon. This opens up all the styling options available for your map. Look for Map Settings and click on it. Here you'll find various customization options that let you control how your map appears. Click the drop-down menu under Style, and you'll see several visual styles to choose from. For example, you might select Grayscale for a clean, professional look that doesn't distract from the data points themselves. Choose whichever style best matches your dashboard's overall design and the story you're trying to tell with your data. And that's it. You've successfully created a location map in Power BI using latitude and longitude coordinates. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.